But that is in large part to the fact that we've seen a lot of rain over the last couple of days, really taking a major bite into our 30-day rainfall deficit. Now, this was orange, it was yellow, we had all sorts of colors across the map indicating that we were well below average for a period of time that equates to about 30 days. Now, after Monday's rainfall, we are doing significantly better. You can see our southwestern counties still seeing a couple of areas that are below average, but once again, the coverage of those rainfall deficits is significantly less than what we were at, even just a week ago. Now, here are the burn bans. As we have mentioned, the last couple of days, these burn bans, they have been dropping like flies. We have 6 East Texas counties that are still under a burn ban. That includes Van Zant, Rains, Angelina, San Augustine, Shelby, Sabine County. So some good news there. We're starting to move in the right direction, and the tropics, they're starting to wake up as well. And this is a storm system to the east of the Lesser Antilles, and that will move into the Caribbean, where it does have about a 20% chance of developing between Friday and next Monday. And we are also tracking an area of disturbed weather over Africa and parts of the eastern Atlantic Ocean. This one also has a 20% chance of developing between Friday and Monday as it moves into the Atlantic Ocean. For us here in East Texas, we've seen a stray shower or two. You can see across the map, we're seeing those showers move from northeast to southwest near Tenaha, Timpson, and areas like that. We are in the 80s for our northern counties. It's 83 in Pittsburgh. We're at 82 in Dangerfield. It's 81 in Gilmer, 84 in Gladewater. We've warmed up a little bit. I've noticed on our tower cam we are seeing a few more peaks of sunshine than what we were seeing earlier today, which is a step in the right direction if you're a fan of the sunlight like I am. We're in the 70s across Nacogdoches County. That's thanks in large part to the showers that we've seen from Appleby up into southern Panola County there. And then a little warmer in deep East Texas. Look at Trinity County right now. We're at 88 in Trinity. It's 86 in Groveton. So we're definitely a little bit warmer with those passing clouds in the region. It's 83 in Crockett. Here's Futurecast. A couple of clouds here and there through the overnight hours. We'll call it mostly cloudy because I do think we're going to see more clouds than clear patches of sky. By 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, it's the same case. We'll see a couple of showers in deep East Texas. But as we move into your Thursday afternoon, I know there's a lot of high school football games that are going to be kicking off Thursday afternoon. This is before those games kick off at 5 o'clock. We could see a bubble-up shower, but folks, those games are going to go on as planned. I don't anticipate any effects to that. And then as we move into your Friday, almost a copy-paste of what we see tomorrow. Dry in the morning, maybe a little humid with that chance at an afternoon storm or two. Let's talk about tonight real quick. We are down to about 72 degrees, about a 10% chance of rain to our south. It's still going to be mostly cloudy, as I mentioned, and then tomorrow, partly cloudy skies with a few isolated showers and thunderstorms. Again, those rain chances are at 20% or less, and folks, it is a lot of copy and pasting from here. We're just adding a few degrees because we'll see more breaks in the clouds by the weekend. We're in the lower 90s Saturday and Sunday, 92 Monday, 90 on Tuesday. Still a few isolated showers and thunderstorms through next Wednesday. And again, if we do see a better chance of rain indicated by the models, we'll raise those rain chances. But overall, it's looking relatively isolated over the next several days with warmer temperatures expected Saturday, Sunday, and Monday in deep East Texas. Neil, Casey?
Very happy.